Welcome to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply make your Android phone internet faster without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. And having click on your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to SIM and network settings. It's going to take you right here. So if you are using dual SIM Android phone, what you need to do is to select the SIM you want to use for internet. If you are using the single phone, just select the single phone that you have on your phone. So in this tutorial, I'm using dual SIM phone, as you can see right here. So I'm going to choose the second SIM right here for my internet speed. So I'm going to click on that. Then it's going to take you to this section right here. What you need to do next is to click on access point name. It's going to take you right here. Then select your access point name. So I'm going to choose Glow NG. Then it's going to give you access point detail. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down until when you get to authentication type. Click on that. Then you have different options right here as far as authentication type is concerned. So the first one here is PAP, the second one here is CHAP, and the third one is PAP or CHAP. Now you can choose PAP on your internet, then restart your phone and test run if PAP is going to work with your internet. Or better still, you can go back to authentication type and choose PAP or CHAP. So either of the two is going to work with your internet. After you choose CHAP or PAP, restart your phone, and after that your internet speed is going to increase without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.